Alright, first off, Mike Tyson actually bought a tiger. Not a t-shirt, a real tiger. Crazy, right? Then there's Lady Gaga dropping thousands on ghost hunting gadgets. Who even needs that? And Beyoncé? She bought a $300,000 golden rocking chair. For her baby. Now that's luxury parenting. But here's the thing. Most of these celebs went broke later on. Tyson filed for bankruptcy. Johnny Depp lost millions too. Shows money struggles can hit anyone, even the rich. You're not a celebrity. So here's the deal. Spend smart. Make a budget. Save up. Invest wisely. Because flashy today usually means empty pockets tomorrow. Here's another thing. When your income goes up, your expenses tend to go up too. Fancy dinners, bigger houses, luxury vacations, sounds awesome, but watch out. If you're not careful, your savings will disappear fast. Financial freedom isn't about how much you make, it's how smart you are with it. Set goals, avoid impulse buys, and think long-term. Even small savings can grow into serious wealth over time. You don't need to be famous to live stress-free and financially secure. Start building smart money habits today. Your future self will thank you. Here's the truth. Financial literacy matters. Knowing where your money's going is power. When you understand money, you make smarter choices. We all say it, I deserve this, after a long week. And sure, treating yourself is fine, once in a while. But doing it every weekend? That's how savings quietly disappear. Inflation is high. Salaries too low. Life's unfair. Yeah, all true. But guess what? Complaining doesn't pay bills. Taking action does. Even small steps count. Want freedom? Want peace of mind? Then start building the life you want. Not just dream about it. No one's coming to save you. But you can save yourself. Every smart choice you make today equals a better tomorrow. Not all celebs mess up. Look at Jay-Z or Oprah. They invest, save, and build long-term wealth. They're proof it's possible to stay rich and smart. Take control. Be smart. Your future self will thank you big. Take control. Be smart. Your future self will thank you big time. So, whether you're rich, middle class, or just starting out, it's never too late. Hey there. This is our brand new financial channel where we'll share smart saving tips, money hacks, and the path to real financial freedom. Stick around, your wallet will thank you later.